Let's make this unique buttermilk. It's also called masala charge in the southern part of India, and the uniqueness comes from the southern part only because there are some typical ingredients which are going to be added into this buttermilk. So sour curd, that's a common ingredient. Then you need to add raw mango. That's the star ingredient. We'll be adding ginger. That will give this buttermilk a little punch, handful of curry leaves and mint leaves, to which I'm also going to add jeera powder, salt, black pepper, crushed black pepper, and lots of cold water. So 2 cups of cold water. Now just grind all of them together into a glass, add bundi. You'll get masala bundi and pour in your buttermilk. You would really love this buttermilk. The benefits being, because it's too hot in southern part and also humid as well, people do consume it on daily basis. But even in summers throughout the northern India or other parts of India, you can definitely consume this drink. If you like it, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I have an Insta and a Facebook handle as well.